write in Noongar, but I sing in Noongar in a choir, and I know the Noongar names, and the Noongar names are in here. For everything that I found a Latin name for, I found a Noongar name for if it existed. And it is exactly as you said, Jebel and stone. I cannot understand Australian vegetation and Australian birdsong and Australian geology until I have heard the Noongar word for it. It's really alchemical.
So one last word for Mark. From Mark.
This is a very interesting comment. I'm just preoccupied at times with how our discussions always fall back to, is Maltese enough? Is Maltese good enough? Can you express this? Can you express that? And I agree with Carl that yes, one sets the rules, one has to find an internal logic, and I think it's part of the game and part of the craft of the author to juggle the language with its potential and its limits too. Because I mean, languages have limits, we have our limits, and